January 2nd, Saturday, and I put on some makeup. I did my hair a little bit. I threw on my yin yang earrings, and I think today's going to be a productive day. I want to take some photos for these earrings just to have more pictures to post on my Instagram or my Etsy Instagram. And then I also got dressed to go to the post office, but I wanted to show you all that my beads came in. I'm so excited. So I thought I'd open them on camera and show you guys because I am very excited. Here are the letter beads that came in. It has a bunch of all the letters. It also has these cute little colorful hearts in the corner, so I think that's pretty cool. They like threw that into the mix. And now here is the big boy that I received. So I had to switch cameras from this one because even though I charged it all night, it's been having some issues and it's been saying that it's low on battery, so I might have to buy a new battery, but I don't know. I'm also thinking of buying a new camera just because this is quite old. Anyway, don't mind the knife that I used to open my little thing, but okay, now you can really see the quality of these beads. So I think I was saying that it also came with these really cute clear ones, and then they even threw in these adorable little hearts and stars, which so cute. Some white ones, and then as well as some letter beads. So these ones are different from the ones that I ordered in the sense that they are squared. So there's black and white, there's these colorful ones, there's these like translucent ones. There's this super cute happy face. There's a little diamond, a little crown, a little bow. Oh, there's a little dove. That's adorable. Ooh, cute little rose. An adorable little heart face. A cupcake. And what is this last little guy? Oh, a seahorse. Interesting. Right, so I am gonna go to the post office and drop off my packages, and then after that I might treat myself to Starbucks. I feel like every time I'm like, oh, I might. We'll see if I do today, but I have my little bag of packages that I'm gonna drop off, and then yeah. Alright, I pulled over. I'm kind of in like a weird place. I'm next to like a school, but I thought I would pull over to give you guys some better content than just me like in the car doing nothing. Well, this is kind of me in the car doing nothing. Anyway, yeah, I went to Starbucks and I decided to leave because they didn't have refreshers. I wanted to get the pink drink, a pinkity drinkity. But instead I just went to Jamba Juice and I got the strawberry wild. Really good. Before I turned into here, I don't know if you guys have seen like those inflatable T-Rex suits. There was like a group of people like on the corner waiting for like to cross the street. There was an inflatable T-Rex, an inflatable banana, I think like inflatable something green. I don't know. I saw it from a mile away. I knew it was a T-Rex. I was kind of laughing as like I was turning and they saw it. And so the T-Rex guy was like waving and I did a little honk. So I'm having fun by myself. I usually don't do this. I used to do this more in the sense of like go get myself something to drink and drive around and listen to music. So this is, I like this because when I'm not doing this, I'm kind of just like, I don't know, stuck at home, and I feel like this is an easy way to kind of get out during a pandemic, is just like go grab a drink and like through drive-through and then just chill in your car or something. But I'm gonna leave this area because it's kind of weird. It's like this like back alley of a school, so I'm probably gonna go back home, but this was a nice little time. Oh, she has her longboard. This is like a perfect place to longboard. Maybe one day I'll bring you guys and we'll longboard over here but with someone else because it's kind of lonely over here. So, okay. Anyway, I'm going home. I am back at my house. I've been back for a while. So far, I'm liking using this camera because I can already tell, obviously, the quality is way better than my other one, but it's so big to lug around. Like, I noticed when I was dropping off my orders, it's just like huge. I guess you gotta sacrifice some things because right now I don't think I have, I mean I have the money, but I don't want to spend money right now on a point and shoot camera. But yeah, so far so good, I guess. What do you guys think?
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
Hello y'all, it is January 3rd, Sunday, and I am dressed up to go run some errands with my boyfriend for some shop things. We were thinking of going to Dollar Tree, Michael's, and was I gonna go anywhere else? Oh, Daiso, because I want some washi tape, and I don't know, maybe I'll find it at Michael's and stuff. But of course I've got my mask, always gotta have your mask, and then I have this little tote bag for when I'm shopping. Hello, I am back from the store. I did not vlog or record just because I didn't take this camera, and it's kind of hard recording out when there's a pandemic going on and just trying to be clean and trying to be safe. But anyway, I wanted to show you all what I got. Starting with Michael's, I got this jewelry tool set. I'm actually really happy that I found this.
Hi, yeah, me here. I just thought I'd mention that this little set is quite subpar. I wouldn't say I recommend it, but for now it works. I don't know. Just thought I'd let you guys know that it's not that great, but it's not horrible either. Okay, bye.
There, and it was only $10. I'm really excited because that means I could just make the earrings tonight. I also got this black cord because I've been working on some keychains that I will show you guys tonight, but I just have like colorful string, so I wanted something a little bit more low-key and unisex, and I decided to go with this simple black cord. And I think this will work perfectly for what I need it for. And then I'm so excited. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree with one thing in mind, like one thing that I really wanted was crinkle cut paper, because I've seen it on Amazon, I've seen it in people's YouTube videos where they're like packing orders, and I've just always thought it looks so cool, and it's just so versatile, especially for shipping, and it kind of adds to like your branding and all that. So I went in looking for black crinkle cut paper, but right when I walked in, I saw a bunch of Valentine's Day stuff, and I saw that they had white. So it's not black, it's white. They had that, and they had like these frilly like gold things, but I chose the white ones. Here it is. It's really nice. And I like it because it's still low-key. It goes with my brand, kind of the whole black and white theme, like hello. I feel like it'll go great, and whatever I put on it, which I'll show you guys like my idea of how I want to use this, but whatever I put on this or in front of this will stand out because it's white. So I got 3 of those, and then when I went to Michael's, I saw that those were a big bag of them was like $15. I think this is a way better deal, so I got that. I got some tape because I noticed I was running low on tape. I also got some super glue gel, and this is for when I make my seed bead rings and my bracelets and things like that. Hopefully this works. I was looking for a brush tip super glue, which I ended up finding at Michael's, but I passed on it. So if this doesn't end up working, then I'll go back to Michael's and get that. Last but not least, I got a plain black picture frame. If you have your own business or if you are just looking for a picture frame, definitely check out the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of selection to choose from, and it's just a cheap picture frame, but I was looking for a black frame so that I could put my prints in and I could take some different product photos than the ones that I currently have on my Etsy. I really like the ones I have right now, but I want to add to my product listings and add some photos of my, you know, prints like actually in a frame and like on the wall.
Why are these so hard to open?
One day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Okay, here it is. I think for my first loop, it's actually quite good. Wow, my first pair of earrings where I make a little loop. They don't dangle too low, and I like that they're pretty subtle. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. But, oh, sorry. Okay, let me show you all too that the keychains that I made. Here they are. So I made a few. I made one. This is the first one that I made. I made one that says soul surfing. Let me put it down here. I don't know if I want to just keep this as kind of like a little gift to myself or like a little memorabilia type thing, or if I want to sell it. I think it's super cute and it's also kind of cool. I'm thinking to make a few that say soul surfing so that people can purchase them and carry a bit of the shop around with them. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep this pink one and I'll make some more. But this is the first one. I think it's adorable. It has a little star in the middle, and then it has these like cute little pastel-y, jelly, pinky looking beads. So this is super cute. Then I also made one that says angel. This one is more of like a blue and purple, and then it has like these little stars on both sides. I love this one so much. You could just read it and weep. Just kidding. I made another version of it, and this one is with like colorful thread. I am now gonna test out the crinkle cut paper idea that I had. So let's open this. These are usually used for my prints because they're around 5 by 7, but since I have a lot of inventory of these, I thought I could send them in here, the keychains.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why
So here is everything that I've been working on so far. I've got some earrings done. I did this one. This was like one of my first ones. I did one that says happy, one that says fuck it. I think this is one of my personal favorites. Of course the soul surfing one, nerd, angel, fuck it, fuck, bye, brat. And then I'm gonna do one that says smexy. And then I might do a few that just have SXY, like sexy. And then I don't even have to add an E or anything. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. I feel like I'm finding my niche a little bit, and I'm really happy that I'm happy with everything I'm putting out, because I think part of being a small business owner and kind of exploring the whole like, okay, let me see if I can run my own business, is kind of also just figuring out your style and what works for you, and throughout the process you'll make things that you don't even fuck with, but I fucks with these